Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about DOGELON price prediction and DOGELON news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for DOGELON in 2022. DOGELON is a dog-themed meme coin on Ethereum and Polygon. It follows the example of other successful dog coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu and Floki Inu. DOGELON plays on several popular themes in the meme coin space. Its name is a mixture of Dogecoin and Elon Musk, the billionaire entrepreneur who is an outspoken supporter of Doge. It alludes to Mars, a spin on the famous moon meme, implying that DOGELON will experience a massive upward movement. Beyond its tongue-in-cheek name, DOGELON has managed to build a significant community, with more than 300,000 Twitter followers, and more than 84,000 followers on Telegram. Just like is the case for its more prominent and more established cousins, the founders of this particular dog coin are unknown. That is somewhat of a common occurrence for meme coins, and investors are well advised to do due diligence with little-known coins to avoid falling victim to malicious practices like rug pulls and exit scams. With that said, Elon has been on the market for several months, making the likelihood of the coin being a scam relatively small. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about DOGELON. Elon Musk won't sell his Bitcoin, reveals what assets to hold during high inflation. Elon Musk, the world's richest man, revealed what assets he thinks it's good to hold when inflation is high while saying he won't sell his BTC, ETH, and Doge. The world's richest man Elon Musk took it to Twitter to reveal that the company he spearheads, Tesla, is coming under pressure from the increasing inflation. He also shared his opinion on what assets it's better to own when inflation goes up. In a recent tweet, the man behind Tesla and SpaceX shared that both companies are coming under pressure from the increasing inflation, resulting in high commodity prices. Musk posted an article from the Financial Times discussing the fact that global commodity prices are on track to see the biggest weekly rally in over 50 years as a result of the war between Russia and Ukraine. High inflation numbers are also reflected in the U.S. Consumer Price Index. The country's Bureau of Labor Statistics released the numbers on March 10, and the index that's largely used to gauge inflation came in at 7.9%, the highest in decades. Commenting under Musk's post was the CEO of MicroStrategy Michael Saylor, who said, United States dollars consumer inflation will continue near all-time highs, and asset inflation will run at double the rate of consumer inflation. Weaker currencies will collapse, and the flight of capital from cash, debt and value stocks also climbed above the 55 SMA, green, recently to show upward momentum. Conclusion is the coin has a lower liquidity than other bigger cryptocurrencies. By market cap, more volatility could be seen for Elon. Therefore, risk management and stop losses would have to be carefully considered on any new or existing Elon positions. A flip of $0. 0861 to support could be used to enter a long position, targeting $0.0937 and $0.099. So next news. US SEC probing Elon Musk. Is Elon building a counter case against SEC? As per reports, the probe began in 2021, after Elon's brother Kimmel sold shares of Tesla worth $108 million, a day before Musk did a Twitter poll, where he asked whether he should offload 10% of his stake in the company. Elon Musk told the Financial Times that Kimmel Musk did not know about the Twitter poll till it was posted. However, his lawyers were aware of the poll. Last week, Tesla chief alleged that the SEC is harassing him and Tesla with an endless investigation. He believes that the commission is doing this to him for being an outspoken critic of the government. However, there is no statement being made by the SEC. I didn't start it, but sure will end it. Elon Musk has been very outspoken against SEC. Back in 2018, SEC filed a case against Tesla chief for his funding secured comment. He claimed that the agency was working for people shorting the electric automaker. In this scenario, it didn't turn out to be Elon's way as they both reached a settlement, where Musk was made to step down as the chairman of the board. In addition, Tesla and Musk each had to pay $20 million in fines. To this, Elon didn't want his EV manufacturing company to pay and suffer for his comments. But he also could not directly pay for it. He went on to buy $20 million worth of shares from Tesla, which ended up in a 70 a non-governmental school-based food-growing initiative in Colorado. So next news. This Dogecoin spin-off once rallied by 4,276%, but still continues to surprise. When a coin happens to be valued at $0.0000008264, no one really cares about it. But because this meme token's name is associated with two of the most prominent crypto personalities, people do notice it. Named after Dogecoin and Elon Musk, the coin managed to rally by 4,276% within a month back in October 2021. However, since then, it has come down by 64.15%. But yesterday's rise placed the coin back in investors' observation. Elon rallied by 11.7% and closed right at the 200-day simple moving average, SMA. Dogelon Mars is currently worth $0.0000076 United States dollars at $421,924,430, making it 126 on the most valuable coin list. Is Dogelon Mars, Elon, a good investment? How much will Dogelon Mars cost in 2025, or how much will Dogelon Mars cost 10 years from now? The results of only observations for 2022, and this is what experts predict for this year. By 2022, Dogelon Mars, Elon, appears to have reached price levels similar to their all-time high. By 2022, we expect the average rate to be $0.0000092. If all goes smoothly, we predict that the Dogelon Mars market price could increase to $0.000000105 in 2022. But the next year will be more interesting for investment. In 2023, with higher consumption and partnership between important ranges, the price of Dogelon Mars will skyrocket. The maximum trading price will reach $0.000000158 in 2023. The price ranges will be very trendy if we keep them. If all goes well, we expect an average price of $0.000000132, with an expected price of $0.000000158 for 2023. If you are planning to invest for the long term, here is the forecast for 2024. Elon is discovered by potential. As science and innovations are found, an increase in the number of users and advertising is possible. If the market focuses on investment in Dogelon Mars, the price could be higher. By 2024, it may reach a maximum value of $0.000000221. Elon is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2024 could end with an average price of $0.000000192, a low price of $0.000000186, and an expected price of $0.000000221. Course forecast 2025. Elon will be seen as the best option, and with the spread of the Dogelon community, Mars is finding new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2025, the Dogelon Mars price will be almost $0.000000271. The maximum bet we can get is $0.000000326. Dogelon Mars average price forecast for the end of 2025 could be around $0.000000278. A large price turnover is expected in the turnover observed in the cryptocurrency market. Dogelon Mars course prediction 2026 volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today, forecasting and implementation at current prices is expected. Many cryptanalysts are at play in this regard. Price predictions are correct for recovery years. Cryptocurrency consumers still ban and restrict cryptocurrencies. Dogelon Mars could cross $0.0000464 if the market sees a good normal run in 2026. Elon rate prediction 2027. Dogelon Mars will increase the load on the network and interaction with people. Therefore, the settlement price for 2027 is bullish. According to analysts, Elon is expected to trigger a $0.000